People generally believe that one must laser focus on one thing at a time to attain success. However, this isn't the case because our brain's not built like that. The intensity of one's focus flickers, much like the beam of a spotlight. Even though your attention may be fixed on this video, in reality, you're zooming in and out of focus up to 4 times a second. It takes immense mental and physical energy to ignore the plethora of distractions that surround us every day. When you're distracted, your mind takes seconds to scan around to see if there's anything more fascinating than whatever it was focusing on before. If nothing is more interesting, it gets you back to your task. You're only in trouble when you cannot stop your mind from being distracted for longer than it should. What if I told you there are ways you can train your brain to focus longer on the tasks you care about? You know, tasks that pay your bills and make you feel accomplished. You've come to the right place because today I'll reveal why most of us can't focus and the 5 secrets to change that. Secret number 1. Quit multitasking. Think about this moment. It's 7 in the morning, you've taken a warm shower, and you're sitting in your office chair with a cup of coffee by your side. Your PCs are booted up, and your notebooks are on your side ready to bite off huge chunks of your project, which is due in 2 days. To keep yourself in a good mood, you choose to play Drake's latest album, CLB, and let it motivate you in the background. You've just got a relaxed work rhythm going, but your phone chimes with a text notification, and you pick it up to write a reply. But then your golden retriever, Barry, whom you forgot to feed, starts furiously barking across the hall. You get up to give the dog some food while scrolling through the TikTok reels of the day. After an unnecessary 20-minute break, you're back at your desk, clueless about which of your 20 taps were for the project. And suddenly your phone, which you left on the couch, is ringing. If this is you, good luck finishing your task in this lifetime. It's easy to fool yourself into thinking you're multitasking, when in reality, all you're doing is rapidly switching your attention and focus from one task to the next. When switching from one task to another, it can be tough to shut out distractions, and you may even generate mental blocks that slow you down. Contrary to what many believe, multitasking makes us less productive. Psychologists refer to the drawbacks of switching from one task to another as task switch costs, which are exacerbated by multitasking. Due to the higher mental load of switching from one activity to another, we experience task transition costs, such as a slower working rate. When we give our full attention to an activity we've done before, we can put our brains on autopilot mode and get more done. When we switch from one task to another, we avoid this step, which slows our productivity. Secret number 2. Discover your productive zone during the day. I've always been a morning person, even when I was a kid. On average, I need 7 hours of sleep per night, and the morning is when I do my best thinking. I save the nights for relaxation after a day of productive solitude in the mornings and afternoons dedicated to group activities and events. I want you to discover your effective zone by asking yourself and answering the following questions honestly. Are you a morning person or not? How do the afternoon, early evening, and late evening stack up in your estimation of your available energy throughout the day? Try rating your energy levels during the day on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 representing very little enthusiasm and 10 being incredible. Knowing when you're at your optimum energy will help you know when to tackle the most mentally draining tasks and leave simpler tasks to the times when you are not enthusiastic. Awareness of your productive zone is only half the battle. The other half is protecting and respecting it. This feat requires self-control and discipline. Create safeguards and limits to keep your productive zone intact, and you can work when you need to and stop when you don't. When you put in the time to perfect your productive zone, you'll find that protecting it becomes second nature. Secret number 3. Create 3 90-minute periods for focused work. When I started working, I'd have to get to the office by 7 a.m. and wouldn't get out until after 6 p.m., leaving me exhausted and needing a carb fix rather than a trip to the gym with my mates. I put on some weight, experienced a sense of despair, lacked motivation, and found it challenging to focus on even the simplest tasks. Getting together with friends and family was more of a chore than a pleasure, and the only things that could bring them joy were mindless reality TV and pints of beer. That's when I decided to fold up my sleeves and do some research. Since then, my focus, productivity, diet, motivation, and stamina have all been boosted after I devised a plan based on what I learned about focus and time management. After my research, I discovered that the 90-minute rule is a no-brainer. In the 90-minute rule, you allow yourself to focus on a single task for 90 minutes before taking a 15-minute break. Take a break from what you're doing, whether getting fresh air, drinking coffee, or something else entirely. Make no mistake about it, don't spend your break scrolling through your phone. Instead, go to the backyard and throw a ball with your dog. The 90-minute rule helps get more done in less time. It can help you unwind, boost your concentration, and make time for your health, loved ones, and other priorities. Just be honest about it. I'm not recommending a radical lifestyle overhaul, but rather a simple adjustment with potentially significant consequences. The good news is, if you've already discovered your productivity zone, doing the 3 90-minute periods and 2 15-minute breaks will be a no-brainer for you. Secret number 4. Correctly apply the 2-minute rule for short tasks. The 2-minute rule states that if a task takes less than 2 minutes, then you should complete it immediately, instead of taking note of it for later completion. But a crucial part of the rule is consistently ignored. You only spend 2 minutes on it if it's relevant to the current work. Wrongly applying the 2-minute rule might lead to a decrease in productivity and concentration. However, when appropriately implemented, the 2-minute rule aids in completing tasks. We finally accept that we don't need to spend any more time planning, worrying, or brooding about a task since we can get it done quickly. If you always give in to your brain's whims, you'll never be able to maintain focus. You'll develop a procrastination habit, and you'll spend your days doing tasks that are quick but that would not be the optimal use of your time. Although you'll be active, you will not accomplish much. The 2-minute rule can be used to eliminate the accumulation of stuff, whether it be physical, like mail on your countertop, or digital, like messages in your inbox, ultimately assisting in the removal of clutter, which helps to put an end to procrastination and enhancing focus. Secret number 5. Mind your eating habits. Despite its evident impact on performance, a healthy office lunch is often overlooked in favor of more important tasks. Healthy food is our fuel for those who are constantly juggling emails, meetings, and deadlines. Few people realize how much of an effect the meals we eat have on our health and focus. Because food affects our brain power, a lousy lunch might ruin an otherwise productive afternoon. The amount of time our bodies take to digest food varies according to what we eat. Some meals, such as pasta, bread, cereal, and soda, release glucose quickly, causing an energy rise followed by a slump. If you have a job that'll demand you to stay focused and productive throughout the day, you should carefully consider the foods you eat. In conclusion, these are the 5 secrets for an incredible focus. 1. Quit multitasking. 2. Discover your productive zone during the day. 3. Create 3 90-minute periods for focused work. 4. Correctly apply the 2-minute rule for short tasks. 5. Mind your eating habits. Congratulations! You've maintained your focus on this video for the past 10 minutes. While I can't promise that you will hit the jackpot just yet, I can promise you that these 5 tips will help you focus more, work smarter and not harder, and get better work done in less time. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, and if you did, give this video a quick like and subscribe. Make sure to watch this video now to discover the amazing benefits of reading non-fiction books. See you in the next one.